Hey, hello for my family. Today we are going to show you 3 safety things to do when you want to light your fire knife on fire, okay? The first thing you have to do, make sure you are wearing the fireproof safety clothes, okay? Show them your fireproof clothing right now. Oh yeah, that's good, that's good. Yes, yes, yes. Now that he's wearing his safety clothes, it's time to light the fire knife on fire, okay? Oh, second step, have a candle. Just kidding, it's a real fire. Hold the fire knife on the top, okay? Make sure the fire's on the top, because if you hold it on the bottom, show what happens if you see. Oh man, oh, he burned himself. That's what happens, okay? You're gonna burn yourself. Make sure you hold the fire on the top. Most safety thing to do, all right? And now for our final tip, tip number 3. He's ready to light the other side of the knife. So go ahead, show them how to light the other side right now. Yeah, show them. Show them. Gosh, I said show them. If it's too windy, like today, little bit windy, can't touch the fire, safety first. Put it on the ground, okay? Then, ready? Woohoo! Be safety first, okay? I tell you to be safety first. Yahoo!